Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Tips again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Fidelity Rewards Visa account. And without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Fidelity Rewards Visa account, first on your computer, open up your preferred browser, and on the search bar, click over there and type in Fidelity Rewards.com like this, and you enter. Or you can just simply search for Fidelity Rewards login like this on the Google itself, and you can see the login.fidelityrewards.com over here of the credit card. Click over there, and similarly from over here, this is the home page of Fidelity Rewards. Now to log into your Visa card account or your credit card account, you can see the login to my account option available over here. Click on login to my account, and you can see we will be redirected onto this page, and you can see both of these pages are same. Let's close one of these. One of them was from the Google, whereas we went to login page from directly from the home page. Now to log into your Fidelity account, you can see you will be required to enter your personal ID over here. When you click on continue, you'll be required to enter your password, and after that you'll be logged into your Fidelity Rewards account. And there guys, this is how you log into your Fidelity Rewards Visa card account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.